Steve, you can't blame yourself.
Yes, I can, Tony. What happened was my fault, and now Bucky's dead.
But at least we're not.
How can you say that, Tony, like Rhodey isn't gone?
I know Rhodey's gone, but grieving won't bring him back.
I think it's time to hang it up.
What are you saying?
Captain America done.
Who are you? How dare you wear that uniform? How dare you dishonor Natasha's memory?
I could say the same to you.
At least I knew Clint. I'm not dishonoring his memory. I'm honoring it. Come on, Cara, what are you doing with your life?
Go, John.
They gotta come back sometime.
Come on, Sam. Go home. Get some rest.
No, I'm adjusting my suit.
Why? Just face it. The Avengers are done.
Well, if you're ready to give up, then that's your choice, but I'm not giving up.
After what Thor? After what happened? There's no point. Project Ultron, you are gonna make me very rich.
Tony, come on. Ultron is dangerous.
Don't you see my vision? A world free from threats.
But the thing stopping the threats is a
Alert! Alert!
Jarvis, what is it?
Red Skull is holding 3 hostages in town.
Avengers, go!
There's no one here.
Jarvis, scan
Hello, Avengers, or whoever you are.
Where are the hostages?
One is at CNC Concrete Factory, the other is at the abandoned Birdie's Birdseed Factory, and the last is at Totem's place on 8th and 1st. You can stop me or save the hostages.
Widow, you take 1. Hawkeye, take 2. And Falcon, go to the farthest one. I'll handle Red Skull.
I'm impressed. But I think we both know you cannot stop me.
Well, shut the hell up so we can find out.
You're safe. It's okay.
It's okay. You're safe now.
You're safe now.
I told you, Tin Man. You can't beat me.
I know, but I can distract you.
What?
Glad to see you didn't hang up the uniform.
Me too.